The 2024 election is upon us, and retirees depend heavily on both Social Security and Medicare, both of which are facing funding issues in the years ahead. How these problems evolve will be determined greatly by who wins this next presidential election. So let's explore this. Let's find out what would happen if Kamala won and what would happen if Trump won and how this affects you and your retirement. When it comes to Social Security, Harris wants to expand Social Security benefits and make them more generous, while Donald Trump wants to preserve the current system without raising taxes. If you're concerned about how long Social Security will last, Harris's plan to deal with the solvency issue is by taxing high-income earners, whereas Trump's plan is banking on the economy and deregulating the economy to solve the solvency problem when it comes to Social Security. Now, I like Trump's plan. I think that if you unshackle the economy, deregulate, I think that we can bridge the gap with some of our solvency crises when it comes to Social Security. The last thing you want to do is tax high-income earners to basically give it to the poor and be more generous to the poor. That is socialism. When it comes to Medicare, Harris's plan is to expand the benefits to include vision and dental. Trump's approach leans more with privatization, which could offer more options for everyday Americans. When it comes to taxes, Harris wants to keep lower income and middle income taxes the same, but significantly increase taxes for higher income earners. Trump, on the other hand, is all about cutting taxes, especially when it comes to investments. If you do have significant investments, Trump's plan will help you save money big time. Now, regardless of who wins 2024, there are some practical things that you can do to get yourself prepared. The first thing you're going to want to do is review your retirement accounts. Whether you have an IRA, a 401k, 403b, a pension, you want to make sure you're diversified so that you're ready for any sort of market fluctuations that typically happen right after an election. Number two is you want to stay informed when it comes to Medicare and Social Security. It doesn't matter who gets elected, there will be changes for Social Security and for Medicare, and you don't want to be blindsided by these changes. Make sure you're keeping your ear to the ground on any sort of upcoming policy changes after the election. Number three is you want to plan for healthcare costs. No matter who wins, Medicare costs could shift depending upon who wins the election. Whether it's expansion under Harris or privatization under Trump, setting aside money for healthcare is a good idea. And then finally, you're going to want to prepare for taxes. No matter who wins, taxes are going to be an important factor in your retirement. And it's going to be a big factor in either administration. If you rely on investment income, you might benefit from Trump's tax plans. But if Harris wins, keep an eye on increases in tax brackets, capital gains taxes. Some are saying that it could be as low as 30% increase, and then some are saying that her tax increases could be as high as 44%. So if that is the case, you want to be prepared. Make sure you're talking to your retirement advisor on strategies to help you lower taxes in retirement. Bottom line, guys, is no matter what happens in the next little while, you want to make sure you're being proactive. There's an old proverb. It says, a prudent man or woman foresees calamity and prepares themselves for it, but the simple move forward and get punished. You want to make sure that you are being proactive, that you're looking off into the future, and that you've got a plan no matter what comes down the pike. It's going to be a rocky couple months, but I believe that fortune favors the prepared. So the question is, are you prepared? If you'd like some more guidance on financial strategies, on how you might better your own financial future, you're going to want to click on this playlist above.